Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here, pouring a set of pure tin hexagons today. There's the tin. Already melted down some of it in a pretty large style crucible. And I'll be pouring all these, full set, if I can manage it. I should be able to with what amount of tin I have there, as there is 3 ounces. A little bit over. I got a nice angle for you. There we go. Gloves on. Give this a quick reheat. Already begun melting some of it. So it's already still quite hot. Shouldn't take too long to melt this. I'm going to have to take that glove off and hold these tongs properly. Have this channel here for any spillage anyway, so nothing can actually splash towards me. Okay, nice and melted. Ooh. Very nice indeed. Pretty. Next. Same. Ooh, bit much in there. I'll have to scoop some of that. Shouldn't be a problem. More than enough here by the looks of it. A little bit more on this one. Ooh. Quite a bit left. Have to work that with the spoon. It'll absorb into this mass once the mould is heated enough. I think I'll switch to more filled gas tank. And that one's running kind of low. Been using it for a little while. Side. Much better. Go. As you can see, it is just absorbing into that mass there, making the original hexagon even bigger. I'm going to give the whole mould quite a heating. There's a strange sort of green on the top, that's just salt. Helps deoxygenate the metal. Along with borax, which is in the crucible. Bit too much on that little tiny one there. I think I'll scoop off a little bit. That's much better. Much better. These are a bit large also. I think I should scoop a tiny bit off. Don't want them too stupidly out of proportion and large. Nice. Very shiny. It's almost like silver in appearance, you can see. have a look. Ooh, very nice. Incredibly shiny, look at that. Most impressive. Got the whole set there, as you can see. All 4 hexagons. And there's quite a bit left in the crucible also. I'll let these cool and stamp them at a later date. Should take a little while to cool, and I may need to heat them a little bit on the top, just in case there's any deformations and such. But as you can see, it's come out very beautifully, and I will post the results in the video thumbnail and on my Instagram and Twitter. So I was pouring a whole set of pure 999 tin ingots. Well, tin hexagon ingots. Till next time.